Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Danny and I am so not an expert. Today we get to do another unboxing. Well, actually it's more like an unbagging, but that's okay. Stephanie Stitches has released her spring project box and I was lucky enough to get one and I'm so excited to open it up for you. So she sent it to me. It's a little late, but that's okay. In a bag, see? Isn't that exciting? So let's crack this thing open and see what's inside. Here we go. I sliced it open already, so we don't have to struggle with that, but I promise I did not peek. Let's see what's inside. Ta-da! Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, yay! Yay, a new rotary blade. Oh, that's exciting. Oh, look at that pretty. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera, but it's like a pale green thread. That looks so pretty. That's an Aurifil thread for sure. And then here's a sweet stick. Ooh, that looks good. And then we've got some fabric by Moda. It looks like Seashore Drive. Looks like probably a layer cake some kind. Some extra fabric. Oh, and I see a peek of a pattern in there. Let's see if she's left us a note. Sorry for all the crinkling. Slide everything out. All right. So we've got some yardage here. We've got a little... Is this a note? Let's see. Yes, this is a note from Stephanie. It says, welcome to the spring edition of my project box / bag, ? Thank you for being patient and supportive through all of the delays. As of writing this note, the actual boxes still have not arrived. So I've improvised to get your package out. I hope this package puts a little smile on your face and is a wonderful start to your summer. So the contents of the package, and she even included the retail prices for each. One Seashore Drive layer cake, which was this one here. We'll look at that in a minute. $44.99. A half a yard of Seashore Drive charcoal floral, which is probably this one here. 2 yards of Moda Bella solid in porcelain, which is this bottom one here. Squared up pattern, which I'll show you that in a minute. A large spool of Aurifil thread in color 2410 called light beige. The Oluf, I'm not sure how to pronounce that, guys. Replacement blade, which I'm so excited about this because she sent one of these. She sent us an endurance blade the last time. This one doesn't look to be an endurance blade, but that's okay. She sent us one of these in her last project box, and I swear I still have it in my rotary cutter from like Christmas. It is awesome, so I'm really excited for that. And then total project value is $106, and I think we paid $51 or $57 total with tax. If I remember, I'll try and put it on the screen there. This box contains everything you need to complete the top and binding of your project, and I can't wait to see how yours turns out. Tag me, Stephanie Stitches, on Facebook or Instagram so I can see your completed project. I will be sewing this along with you, so check out my progress on the YouTube channel. XOXO Stephanie. P.S. Due to fabric shipping delays with this go-round and what was supposed to be in the summer box, I've decided to skip the summer edition and go right into an autumn box, as that fabric is going to be here very soon. So she's not going to offer a summer box, just an autumn one, so I'll keep an eye out for that one. But in the meantime, let's see what else we got here. So this is the pattern. Ooh, it's called Squared Up. So cute. So cute. And it looks like we've got a bunch of sizes here. Baby, throw, twin, and queen. It says 10-inch squares. So the layer cake includes... They usually include 40, but I'm going to have to double check. So if this is a full layer cake, then that would be 40 squares, which means we should be able to make the throw size. If we wanted to make the twin, we would need to add 8 more 10-inch squares to it. So let's take a look and see what we've got. So this is, oops, I just dropped stuff. So this is the layer cake. Oh, guys, look at these I'm not going to open it up because I don't want to ruin it just yet, or open it up just yet. But look at all these pieces. That's a tone-on-tone. So pretty. Oh, there's some words there. I love these fabrics. They're such pretty colors. So we've got some greens. This is like a peach color. Some plaid. Some purples. Such pretty spring colors. A dark purple, and then we got a little light aqua colored here. Some dark aqua. And then we've got some I think they called it charcoal colors here. so cool. I was not counting these, but I think there's 40 in here. Let's see. Very cool. And so now here's the rotary blade again. Oops. Here's that rotary blade again. Like I said, the last time she sent us an endurance blade, but that's okay. These are really nice blades. It's good that I have my 45. These will fit in my Martelli cutter. I've tried that already. They work really well, so I don't have any problems with that. So if you have a Martelli, you can absolutely use these. And then here is the thread. Such a cool color that is. It's called light beige, but I don't know. It kind of has a little bit of a green tone to it to me. I really like it. I'm excited to add that to my collection. And so now here's the yardage. This was the charcoal. Love the little flowers. That is so cute. So cute. And then here is that Bella Solid that she was talking about before. This is obviously our background. And this is probably our binding is going to be my guess. Let's see. Yes. So she did give us enough for the throw, because she said she'd given us 2 yards of the background and a half a yard for the binding. So that's enough for the throw size, which is a 60 by 71. Really cool. And that would leave us with probably 10 extra squares. So if I was doing this, I would probably pull out these lighter colored ones, because they're gonna blend in too well with the background. That's what I would do. And then of course we have our sweet stick, which I've dropped on the floor. And then of course she's given us a little sweet. This is a sugar stick, and you can use this in your coffee. You can use this in hot tea, but basically it's just some flavored sugar that you use as a stir stick. So much fun. So yummy. Can't wait to try that. Well, that's it, guys. This is this week's project, or our project box from Stephanie Stitches. Tell me what you guys think. I will definitely be doing this project on the channel. Who knows? Maybe it'll be in a couple of live streams, because it'll be a little bit of a bigger project. We usually try to do the full-size ones on a live stream, so that'll be fun. Alright guys, this is all I've got for today. Thanks so much for joining me. If you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe to the video, and I'll see you guys in a couple days. Bye!